Welcome back, everybody. Good to have you back. Here's another question, geometry question, and this time we're dealing with central angle and sector area. The question is find the expression in the simplest form for the shaded region. All right, so there is a review part here. I put it up there just in case you have forgotten how to find the sector area, and it was given by this formula. The area A is equal to alpha, which is a central angle measure, divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared, where alpha is central angle that I mentioned. All right, to do this, we need to find this expression. Notice that there are no numbers here. All right, we have this radius r as in general form. So this expression will end up being in the form of r and pi possibly, and then we go from there. All right, the first thing that we need to do, we need to actually find what is the actual total sector area given that the central angle here is 90 degrees. So right now the shaded region that we want, the actual question is asking us to find just this little area right here, part of this sector angle or sector area, sorry. But first, let's find out the entire sector area that is been covered by the central angle 90 degrees. And we should know what that is, because basically you can actually do a freestyle really using logic. This is 90 degrees and the entire interior angle or central angle for this circle is 360, so it's 90. So basically the total area will end up being quarter of the area of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r squared, quarter of that. That's basically what it will be. But if you really want to, you can plug numbers in and then we get that. So here it is. Let's go ahead. So we have area is equal to 90 degrees central angle over 360 degrees times pi r squared, and that's 1/4 pi r squared or pi r squared over 4. This is the total area for the sector area. That's the total sector area pi r squared over 4. Okay, total sector area. Very good. Now, we need to find the area of this triangle. Once we know how to find that and we get the value of that in the expression form, then we can deduct that, subtract it away from the total sector area, and then we can get this shaded region at the bottom that is represented by different color of kind of a pink and a blue here that I shaded it. Okay, so now how are we going to find the area of this right triangle? Well, it's a right triangle. That should not be hard. So we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And in this case, because we have the radius in this triangle right here, the radius here is actually the base, and this radius here, the other one, they're the same, but that could be the height. Okay, so now we have 1/2 base is r and the height is r. So that means the area for this triangle is 1/2 r squared. Perfect. Now that we have the area of the triangle, we're going to take the sector area, which is pi r squared. So the shaded area now is equal to the sector area, pi r squared over 4, and then take away the area of the triangle, and then that would be it. You can simplify this this fraction, the two fractions together as a subtraction. So this would be pi r squared minus 2r squared over pi, and that is as good as it gets. You can leave it alone like that, but you can factor, again, if you want to factor r squared out, but doesn't really do anything that makes it simpler or anything like that, but makes it more compact form, which is great. All right, so this is the final answer, r squared times pi minus 2 all over 4. All right, if you found this useful, subscribe, like, and leave comments in the description below. When I have any new videos up, you're going to get notified right away. Until next time, be well and keep doing the math. Exercise, practice, practice, practice.